Hello everyone. In previous video, I already explained to you mode, shape, and operation. So in this video, I will explain to you about the shortkey which can make your work faster. The shortkey I explain to you is to change the mode. To change the mode, first you create the mode you choose. First I choose the act the cut mode, and then press tab to make freeze tab. If you press tab, the shape will freeze tab, as you can see. And if you want to change the mode, you can check out here, check the shortcut here, shortcut key. This is if you press X, it become happen mice slice, this one intersect, and this one intersect, and come on, only these four you can use the shortcut X before. In join, you need to press J if you want to join, and climb you need to press K, X, Y to this one to extract, and the last one to make, you press A. So another shortcut, if you want to manipulate this object, sorry, plate first. If you want to manipulate this object, and I press tab to make it freeze. If you want to manipulate this object, you can use the similar manipulation in the blender. For example, if I press G, I freely to remove the object. If I press G and Z, I can move the object on the Z axis. If I press Z, I can move the object on the X axis, and Y, I can move the object on the Y axis. And if I want to scale, I can press S. I can scale this like this. And if I want to scale on the Z axis, I just press Z, as you can see. And want to scale to X axis, Y, etc. And if I want to rotate this object, I just press R, and as you can see, but the type rotate is not control. To control this rotation is you need to press shift to control this rotation. Press shift, and as you can see on screen, you can control this rotation. Press R, shift. If you want to rotate on the Z axis, you just need to press R and X. If you rotate on the Z axis, it's R, Z, as you can see. Then if you want to rotate on the Y axis, press R and Y axis, and press Y. Press shift, as you can see on the screen. So, and the next one, if you want to using the operation, pen mesh is array. You just type V on the keyboard, V. When you press V, this array. You press Z. I will explain to you how to using array, so you can check out the video. Okay, increase the. Okay, and the next one is solidify. Solidify this thickness. So you just need to type T on the keyboard to apply this coefficient operation. Type T. Okay, you can type 3, 2, and then if you want to mirror, just type 1 or 2, as you can see, 3, this one. Another way to manipulate this object using the Boxcutter add-on, and the easy way is by using shortcut Alt D. So first you create the your desired shape. and going down, and then press tab on your keyboard, and then if you force then if you press alt D, you will see this dot. Now press alt again, the dot will disappear. And when you press alt D, this dot will appear. You can manipulate object using this dot, so you can rotate it. So to accept this manipulation, just press your left click mouse. It means you accept the manipulation. And then if you press tab, and if you press right click, this means you cancel. Right click to cancel on the mouse. If you press right click on your mouse, it means cancel. You see, I press right click, it's cancel. And if you want to know other shortcut when you're using this Boxcutter, you can first you click help, click this one, and then using create the shape and press tab, then you can press this shortcut here. I recommend that you need to remember all these shortcut to make your easy when you create, to make faster when you're doing when you want to adjust this object when you're using Boxcutter mirroring. So that's all for the tips with the tips of this Boxcutter. So hope this video helped you in using Boxcutter. So thanks for watching. In the future I will add the another Boxcutter tutorial. So thanks for watching. If you want to support me, you can give me some coffee and subscribe my channel, give me some coffee. So thanks for watching.